The latest generation of CH-9 Rainbow 9 integrated reconnaissance and strike unmanned aerial vehicle UAV from China has been conducting long-endurance flight tests with its special aviation equipment. The CH-9 Rainbow 9 drone boasts a range of impressive capabilities, making it a versatile asset for military operations. Equipped with advanced sensors and payloads, this UAV is capable of carrying out various missions, including intelligence gathering, surveillance, target acquisition, and precision strikes. Its extended flight endurance allows for extended missions and operations over long distances. The CH-9 Rainbow 9 is also equipped with a high level of autonomy and artificial intelligence, enabling it to operate in complex and dynamic environments with minimal human intervention. This next-generation UAV represents a significant advancement in China's military technology and capabilities, showcasing the country's determination to strengthen its defense capabilities. With its cutting-edge features and capabilities, the CH-9 Rainbow 9 is set to play a crucial role in future military operations and defense strategy.